Amelia Island here, guys. We'll do some boogie board. Okay, there you go. Come on, hurry, 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 hurry. Okay. Okay, come on, get on here. Come on, hurry, 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 hurry. Okay, you're on there. You ready?
Yeah.
First tuck. Okay, you wanna go on this one? You gotta kick fast, kick fast. Kick, 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 kick. Yeah. How'd you like that wreck? Huh?
Yeah, it looks painful.
Okay, Tuck, you ready? Okay. We're gonna go on this. Okay, you're ready. Ready? Kick, kick him. Kick, 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 kick. Tell them how it was. Tell them how it was.
It's good. Hey, help me!
I got you, buddy. Okay. Okay, you ready?
You're not holding on to me.
I got you, bud.
That's how deep it goes like this.
Yep. Okay, guys, here it comes.
Oh,
Tuck, get ready.
I'm not doing it.
Okay, cameraman. Holy shamoly. Kick hard. Here, record him in person now. He's on the board right here. Get a little closer.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording, but it don't matter. I'll cut it. Hold on. Hold on, Captain. Hey, guys, look at Sexy Beast right there. Sexy.
Yeah.
Come a little closer, right? I want to see him coming out this way. I want to see how he makes it.
Get a big one. Say hi.
Hi. Wait, let me say something. Give us subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
Hi, Sissy.
Okay, had a little rain, so we've converted to fishing. So, stay tuned. It bit that daggone fish before it did my shrimp. Look, I put the fish on the bottom.
Really?
Shrimp's on top. I felt it. Couldn't get it. Got it! Missed it. Dang it! Got it? Got it. Yep. There's what you get. What? Yeah.
You want me to hold it for you?
Huh?
I'll hold it for you.
You got it? Take it to the cooler.
I'm gonna eat it. Nice. I got it, yeah. A fish in there. Let's go put crab. Get on. That's
Show bear. Right here. Yeah. Here, let me.
You have the pole, can I unhook it?
We put it up here.
Can I hold it before it dies?
Oh yeah, get it off her. You got it, you want me to get it?
You get it, can I? I think you had it till look, the tail's bleeding.
Yep.
You think you, and you think you had it twice the same fish?
What, show the bear?
Oh, I thought you caught it, Tuck.
No, Ted.
He was assisting.
Ah.
I
God, that thing's slick.
I seen him what? I saw it and I just was running. I hold it the pole. I think Dad had one.
Where you want it? Where you want it, Tuck?
Shell? You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Where you want it?
I thought he.
I'll drop it. You can get it. How's that? There we go.
Get it, Tate. You got it.
I think it's called a whiting. You think?
We go see y'all practice.
Nice. Yep.